So you're a tough guy. I'm the bad type, I'm the sad type. You're the nice type, I'm the bad guy. Duh. Take control, if you know that you don't want me, I'll let you play the role. I'll be let's do the same. She won't say so if she needs all that I know, so you're a tough guy. You're really tough guy. Just give me a I'm the bad guy. Duh.